And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 208. Let me show you the next filter, which is the accented edges. We'll find it under filter, filter gallery, and I've copied the original using Ctrl J so that we have the original as a backup. It's under the brush strokes folder right here, first option. Let me zoom out. And then we have three ways to adjust it. The edge width controls the thickness of the lines that are the outlines then of the edges of objects, shapes, whatever you've got in your image. But it's actually best to start adjusting your image using the brightness, because that determines how bright or how dark the result will be. Once you've got a good value for edge brightness, you can adjust the edge width a little bit easier. And then finally we have the smoothness. This, you could say, it kind of addresses the jaggedness or unevenness of the highlighted areas. So the higher you go here, the more it's going to be washed out, and that's then a little bit smoother. And the lower you go, the more of the original will be preserved, and you can see the details and the jaggedness. And this is how you can use the extended edges filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.